Hi brothers and sisters, out here in the workshop, just finished up on another gorgeous wedding ring holder. This one is made out of a dyed birch. Let me zoom in on it a little bit here so we can see it a little better. It's got the birch, let's see, the wedding ring sets right here on this post. It's got some pink and blues and reds. This is wingay wood on the side, and of course it's got a clear epoxy all the way on over the top of it, and the heart's mounted at a little bit of an angle so that it's a gorgeous piece. Let's set it down here on the table and take a look at it a little bit better. Okay, we're going to look at this down on the workshop table. And I'm going to turn this around a little bit. It's going to have quite a bit of glare on it because of the, well, it's got clear epoxy all over it. The wedding ring, of course, sits right here on the post. The post is the same as all the back there. This is wingay wood I put over here on the side. And then this little heart is I'm going to put this in, include it with this particular piece, because when I make this heart up here, I get this over here on the other side, and if you notice some of the green over here, this matches the green here. So I thought, well, instead of, I really can't do anything with this without the rest of it, so I thought, well, I'll just make a little you can move this around anywhere you'd like. It's glued onto a piece of wingay wood, so it kind of floats around. You could put it right next to the piece. You could move it somewhere else, anywhere you want to put it. So it's a little heart that matches this particular part of the dyed birch. So anyway, I thought, well, that's kind of a neat little extra little feature for this particular wedding ring holder. So anyway, there it is. Keep walking with Jesus, have a blessed day, and stay tuned for the next video.